Hello guys, this is Forex Success. So guys, this is the small account growing group. The challenge that we took, it's still ongoing, as you can see. So that's the signal I sent for the group. So guys, this is the trade we are taking for the small account growing, for the small account. Okay, you can see we bought step in this exactly, and our take profit is at this point. Yeah, so that's our take profit, and you can see we are on profit already. So we are holding the trade to get to our take profit level, and I'm closing out some positions right now. So we are waiting guys for the trade to hit that our take profit level. So the signal was sent to the group for them to also dive into the trade and make some good profit. So we sold step in this. As you can see, this is a perfect entry guys, a perfect entry. We bought step in this. That's a perfect entry, and we are on profit of about $37 profit on step in this. So that's how we trade on the small accounts and make profit for ourselves. Exactly. So we are still on this challenge guys. So I want to close this trade. Okay, so I'm closing it. Yeah, I'll close it now. Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the profit for the day. $50 profit for the day. Exactly. So you can see the group. I'm also giving them the signal to take profit because I've taken my profit. So the take profit also for the day. So you can see this is the signals I told them. So this is the analysis. I told them I bought step in this and showed them the analysis, and I'm also waiting for sell confirmation of V75 exactly. So you can see we are on profits. Everybody is happy. Yeah, so that's it guys. Forex Success, and we're doing well. Exactly. Thank you guys, and make sure you be happy, and I wish you a profitable trading.